Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to log out your TikTok account from your old devices. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open TikTok and tap on top right 3 lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Security and Permissions. Now click on Manage Devices. Here all your old devices will be shown which your TikTok account is logged in. You can delete your TikTok account from these devices by clicking on the Delete button. In this way you can delete your TikTok account from your old devices. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel.